Welcome to Health Glow Up. Your journey to a healthier you starts here. Welcome to Health Glow Up, your ultimate destination for health, wellness, and fitness. Whether you're just starting your health journey or looking to enhance your current routine, you've come to the right place. At Health Glow Up, we believe in a holistic approach to health. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable health tips, wellness strategies, fitness routines, nutritious recipes, and mental health support. Here's what you can expect from our channel: insightful health tips that are easy to incorporate into your daily life, wellness strategies to help you feel your best, inside and out, effective fitness routines for all levels, from beginners to advanced, delicious and nutritious recipes that are simple to make, mental health advice to support your emotional well-being. We'll be uploading new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Join the Health Glow Up community today and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. We're excited to have you with us. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website for even more health inspiration and tips. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Health Glow Up. Let's glow up together.